thunderstorm warning for northeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near East Troy, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Racine, Mount Pleasant, Sturtevant, Union Grove, East Troy, Wind Lake, Rochester, Raymond, Yorkville, Wind Point, Browns Lake, Waterford North, Potter Lake, Eagle Lake, Caledonia, Burlington, Waterford, Honey Creek, Elmwood Park, and North Bay. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunder